Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something incredibly simple. I'm going to make no-bake blueberry cheesecake. That was almost poetry. So there's no great story behind this, it's just we got some blueberries on their last legs for cheap. And they need using up pronto, so that's what I'm going to do. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. and let's go on with it. No-bake blueberry cheesecake. First thing we need to do is make the biscuit base. So for that you will need a tin. This is 20 centimetre, 8-inch diameter. It's a springform tin with a removable bottom. And I'm going to butter the base and the sides because I don't trust the non-stick coating. Okay, I've got about 200 grams of digestive biscuits. That's 14 of them. And I've got about 100 grams of butter. So that needs to be melted and these need to be smashed into smithereens. So just break them into a Ziploc bag. And close it, otherwise we'll have crumbs everywhere. And blam, 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 blam. You want to make sure you don't have any big lumps of biscuit remaining, and then stir in the melted butter. Now grab your cake tin and line it with the biscuit crumb. You need something with a flat bottom to press it down into the tin, so a little glass like this is perfect. And then also press it up against the side wall of the tin. Alright, and pop that in the fridge for about half an hour so it kind of sets a bit. Okay, I'm going to make the cheesy filling. So I've got 250 ml of double cream, 100 grams of caster sugar, and this is 280 grams of cream cheese. So I'll put the cream in there. And whisk it till we get firm peaks. Plug it in first. Now I'm going to add a sploosh of vanilla extract and some of the sugar. This actually looks like it's too much, so I'll just put about half of it in, and then we'll taste it later and add more if I think it needs it. And whisk that together. Now I'm mixing the cheese. Just have a little taste. That's delicious, and it really doesn't need any more sugar. Okay, now we'll just spoon the cheesy stuff into the biscuit case. Try not to leave any spaces or air bubbles. So I'll put this back in the fridge to set, and while that's happening I'll make the blueberry topping, for which I've got 250 grams of blueberries, 50 grams of caster sugar, a squirt of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of arrowroot and a little bit of water to dissolve it in. If you can't find arrowroot, you can use corn flour, cornstarch. So I'll just mix that to a smooth paste. Then we'll whiz over to the stove and cook these. Put the blueberries and the sugar in a small pan on low heat and stir them now and again. The sugar will dissolve, the blueberries will start to exude juice, and you can add some lemon juice to help things along. And after about 5 minutes, stir in the arrowroot and cook that for 2 or 3 minutes more, and it'll start to thicken up. Then you can take it off the heat and let it cool down somewhat. Then we'll take it off the heat, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down, and then we'll pour it on top of the cheesecake. Right, there's our lovely blueberry sauce. Nice and cool. So we'll just spoon it on top of the cheesecake. I've just filled it to the edge of the biscuit sides. And now I'm going to try and see if I can get the tin released. I think I'll see if I can put the tin back on and leave it overnight in the fridge to set. Well, cock-a-doodle-doo. It is the next day and I'm quite nervous about getting this off, but there's only one way to find out, isn't there? Let's do it. Well, didn't need to worry about anything really, did I? Apart from this bit round here, which I'm not going to show you. Spectacular. Okay, here we go. Ooh-wee. That looks pretty wild. The moment I've been waiting for about 24 hours. So let's give it a taste. That's just an insane combination of flavours and textures and sweet and tart with the blueberries. It's magnificent. As I said, dead easy to do, so treat yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.